Hello bachcho, let us look into the question. The question says that we have to study the given figure and identify the variables from A to F. So this is the figure and these are the options. So the key concept is an adapter molecule which talks about tRNA. Now tRNA, suppose I am drawing this tRNA 5 prime, this is tRNA and this is variable loop, this is anticodon, this is 3 prime OH, that means amino acid arm. Along with that, this is 5 prime phosphate arm and D T psi C loop. This is the structure of tRNA. Let us look into it closely. Whenever we talk about the structure of tRNA, basically what is the function of tRNA? It is that it converts the mRNA genetic codon into the form of protein. So this is the function of tRNA, that it receives the amino acid. Along with that, it has a codon loop. It has an anticodon loop in the direction 3 prime to 5 prime. Now let us label the diagram. First of all, A will be amino acid arm, which we have studied over here, because here only amino acid will be attached. This is where the amino acid is attached. This is the polypeptide. Now what we see, B, we'll be talking towards the B. Basically जिधर भी ये वेरिया उधर जो आर्म एक्सपोज रहता है, दैट इज टी साई सी, एंड उस हिसाब से ये डी लूप हो जाएगा towards the right side if we twist it. Now what happens that this is anticodon. इसके आगे हम बात करेंगे. हमने देख लिया कि A क्या है. A is basically, we have talked over here, amino acid arm. B is T psi C. T psi C is T loop. It is basically T loop. And talking about C, this is C. C is anticodon loop. We have already discussed it over here. And talking about D, D is, let us look into it. D is anticodon. This is anticodon loop and this is anticodon. Moving further, E. E is the codon, right? Because anticodon will be bonded towards the codon. Moving further, towards the right hand side, it will be D loop. You can memorize it using dextro, which means right. So these are the labelings of this diagram. Let us enlist it. A calls out for amino acid arm, B calls out for T loop, C calls out for anticodon loop, D is for, C is for anticodon loop, D is for anticodon, E is for, basically whenever we talk about E, it is for codon that is present on mRNA, and F is D loop. Thus the option that is matching to it is option number C. So we can say that option C is the correct answer. Hope you all understood. All the best.